How to upload videos on Pinterest. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can upload video on Pinterest app. Now to do so is quite simple. However, what you'll need to keep in mind is that you'll need to have a business account, or you'll have to turn your account into the business account in order to be able to create a business account. Now if you see people being able to upload videos on Pinterest, it's because they have the business account. I'll show you how you can do that. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, and then what you want to do is tap on the three dots option that you can see at the top right corner of your screen, and here head into settings. Now once in settings, you'll get varieties of options. Simply head into the third option, account management, and here you'll get the option under account changes. You can see convert to a business account. Simply tap on it and tap on convert account, and here it'll ask you to add your profile name. Simply add your profile name that you want on your business account, and then tap on next, and here it'll ask you to add a website. If you have, you can add. Now I'll just add www. Here whatever, simply tap on next, and you can describe your plans or anything, and then tap on next, and you can go through all the process. And once you do it, simply tap next, and then you can start up by creating a pin. Simply tap on create a pin, and you can allow the access, and you can see I can upload video here, right here on the screen. If I tap on next, I'll be able to upload a video. Now if you don't get this option after you create a business account, now you can see I've already created a business account. What you want to do is simply tap on the plus option that you can see at the bottom of your screen on your home page. Simply tap on it and tap on pin option, and then you'll be able to upload video. You simply tap on the video that you want to upload, and then tap on next, and tap on next again. You can pick a cover if you want, and then you can do other various stops, and then you can upload it. So this way you can upload videos on Pinterest. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.